Hello, today I am unboxing fish I bought on eBay. I already took off the packing slip, because I had my address and stuff on it, so right off the bat, nowhere on this box does it say there's live fish inside, which is a bit worrying. Every box of fish I've gotten online before had a sticker or a handwritten note saying, hey, there's live fish inside. Please be careful. I ordered these 2 weeks ago. They were shipped on Monday of this week and arrived on the following Thursday of the same week, which is quite a few days in transit for fish. So hoping I open it up and they're fine. If the fish inside are okay, I will link the eBay seller in the comments. If they aren't, I'm not going to do that because I don't want them to have business if they're selling me fish and not packing them alright, and also I don't want anybody doxing them. Oops. Okay, don't cut yourself with the scissors because that hurts. There's like 2 or 3 layers of tape on this, so it's taking me a hot second. I was not home when the box was delivered, so I don't know if the post carrier was carrying it correctly with the right side up, but more often than not, they don't do that, even if it says this side up. So we have this foam inside, which is to keep the fish nice and calm. This in the middle, I'm going to assume it's a heat pack. And if it is, that's a heat pack, so I can just go straight in the garbage. It's not warm anymore, but I wouldn't expect that after so long. Looks like I ordered 2 fish, and it looks like they are separately packaged. Let's see, is there a fish in there? There's a fish in there. And this fish is alive. This is a longfin super red bristlenose. So the quality on this one is pretty good. I spent about $30 each on these guys. It's hard to give you a good picture of him, but he does have some brown markings on his tail. So not a completely true super red, which is a bit disappointing, but it is hard to get true super reds. And then this one is also alive. And he also has a bit red on his tail, or brown on his tail, but not as bad as the other guy. So I'm pretty happy with these. So they are right there. And the box, we've got nothing else, so I'm gonna go put these guys in the tank real fast. Alright, so I apologize for the flash, but there's no lights in my room other than a tank light, and it's not very good. So they both have been put in there. Ignore the boxes in the background. So here's one. This one is quite small, but it has beautiful long fins. It's a bit pale because he's scared. The roaches are all hiding because there's a light on, and it's past their bedtime. The other one is stuck on the wall over here, so I'll just turn on to this side. Oh, he doesn't want to be looked at. You can see him there. He is a bit redder and also a bit bigger. Beautiful specimen. I say he. I'm hoping that you guys can see him. I'm hoping that they're both male, but they're too long to determine their gender right now. When they get bigger, they will go into the 125 gallon. Thanks for watching. Sorry, my room is a disaster apart from the fish tank. See you guys later.